Need to create a bootable USB to install Windows but have no third-party tools installed? No worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make any USB bootable using just the built-in Windows command prompt. Best of all, it's completely safe and requires zero extra software. First things first, we need to open the command prompt. Hit the start menu, search for CMD, and here's the crucial part. Make sure you right-click and choose Run as administrator. If you don't do this, it won't work. In command prompt, type disk part and hit enter. This utility lets us manage our storage. Once that loads, type list disk. Now, here is where you have to pay attention. Identify your USB drive from this list. Consequently, you must check the size to pick the right one. For me, it's this 2, so I'll type select this 2. Therefore, make absolutely sure you select your USB, not your hard drive. Now type clean and hit enter to wipe the drive. Next, type create partition primary and then type select partition 1 to target it. Now for formatting. If you type format fs equals NTFS quick, it is best for modern Windows installations with large files. Alternatively, you can use format fs equals FAT32 quick if you need compatibility with older systems, though it limits single files to 4 GB. Once formatted, just type assign to give it a drive letter. Once the drive assignment is done, just type exit and hit enter to leave disk part, and then you can safely close the command prompt window. Now, here is the final crucial step. Do not just copy the Windows ISO file onto your drive. Instead, you need to open or extract the ISO file and copy all of its contents directly into the root of your USB drive. Once the file transfer is finished, your bootable flash drive is officially ready to use. If you found this quick CMD trick useful, definitely hit that like button and subscribe for more clean Windows guides. Catch you in the next one.